In this video, we're going to discuss alcohols, and we're going to look at the structure of alcohols and how to name them. So first, we need to learn about the classification of alcohols. The general formula or the general structure of an alcohol is ROH, and R is organic shorthand for an alkyl group, so something carbon-based. There are three types of alcohols that we need to know about. We have primary alcohols. And we shorten that with a 1 with a little degree sign. These are alcohols in which the OH, or the hydroxyl group, the carbon to which it is bonded is only bonded to one other carbon. So we see here we have our hydroxyl group carbon and then bonded to one other carbon. We have secondary alcohols. We use the 2 with the little degree sign. And here, the carbon to which our hydroxyl group is bonded to two other carbons. So we have our hydroxyl carbon with a little star, and then we have 1, 2 carbons directly attached to it. And then lastly, we have tertiary alcohols, and that's a 3 with a little degree sign. And in a tertiary alcohol, our carbon to which the hydroxyl is bonded, shown here with the little star, is stuck to 3 other carbons. So here is our hydroxyl carbon, and we have 1, 2, and 3 other carbons. So we're going to look at naming now. In naming, we're going to follow the same conventions as kind of the parent chain. So an alkane, an alkene, a cycloalkane. So first things first, we're going to find our parent chain. So our parent chain here must contain our OH group, and our parent chain is going to be a 5 carbon, so pent, there's no double bonds, so pentan, all. And we're going to leave that little space there. This is going to be the location of the alcohol, so the location of the OH group. We're going to identify our functional groups coming off of this. So we have our chloro, and we have methyl. In terms of numbering, we want to number so that the OH is given priority. So we're going to number so that our OH group gets the lowest number it can have, and that's going to go from right to left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So when we put this together, we're going to list in alphabetical order, same as usual. So chloro will be first, so we will have 4 chloro. Then methyl, 4 methyl. And then pent and 2 all. We're going to go through one more example. This time our parent chain is a cycloalkane. So our parent chain here contains that OH group. And so this is going to be cyclohex, so 6 carbons, cyclohexane, and we're going to leave space for the number for that OH group. We're going to identify our other groups. So we have a methyl and an ethyl. In a cycloalkane, the OH group is given carbon number 1. So in numbering, we're going to put our 1 on our OH, and then the quickest way to a functional group is to go clockwise. So we'll hit our functional group at carbons 3, whereas if we went counterclockwise, we would hit it at carbon 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to go clockwise with our numbering. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now we're going to list things alphabetically. So we will have 3 ethyl, 4 methyl, cyclohex, and 1 all. You can also write without the 1 as it's implied because it has to be at carbon 1. So you could also write this and be correct. 3-ethyl, 4-methyl, cyclohex, and all. Okay, so the reason that you can do that is that the 1 is implied.